What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BPI credit card cash installment. Paano nga ba guys mag-cash installment sa BPI credit card ninyo? I-share ko sa inyo yung ways to avail or yung process, ano yung mga paraan para at least si BPI mismo yung tumawag sa inyo para offeran kayo ng BPI credit card cash installment.
Take note lang guys na kapag may tumawag sa inyo tapos nanghihingi ng mga ano-anong details like for example yung OTP or one-time PIN, hinihingi yung lahat ng details ng credit card ninyo sa BPI, wag nyo pong ibibigay lahat ng kanilang hinihingi. Kasi kapag hiningi yung OTP or one-time PIN at saka kung ano pa mang available na card details sa credit card ninyo, hindi po tama yan kasi delikado po yan. Kasi never po hihingiin ni BPI Customer Service yung confidential details such as expiry date ng credit card ninyo at saka yung OTP. Kaya naman be aware kayo guys sa mga tumatawag na nagpapanggap na mga taga BPI daw sila. So yun, proceed tayo. Back to topic tayo. Nagbigay lang po ako ng awareness guys para at least maging aware kayo.
I-share ko sa inyo guys yung rates and fees, of course yung interest rates at the same time kung magkano nga ba yung magiging availment fee. Kasi nakadepende siya guys kung magkano yung i-avail ninyong cash installment sa BPI credit card, then mas mataas din yung magiging availment fee. Pero bago yun guys, muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see dito guys, BPI credit card holders can avail of the credit to cash or SIP loan facility to convert their credit limit into cash. Payable in 3 to 36 monthly installments, eligible clients can apply via the BPI app or BPI online by requesting a callback or by calling the 24-hour BPI contact center with funds usually dispersed within 5 banking days. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin na to guys? Yung mga BPI credit card holders guys is pwede sila mag-avail via credit to cash, which is sinasabing SIP loan or Simple Installment Plan loan. Facility to convert the credit limit into cash, which is pwede nyo siyang bayaran, which is up to 36 months or 3 years. 3 months yung minimum, then yung 36 months yung pinakamatagal na pwede nyong hulugan buwan-buwan. So, eligible clients can apply via BPI app. So, yung mga clients guys is pwede mag-apply via BPI app o BPI online. Then, pwede rin mag-request, which is yung sinasabing BPI callback or requesting callback. Which is yung taga-BPI mismo yung tatawag para offeran kayo ng BPI credit card cash installment. Then, ipapasok ito sa nominated savings account kung saan yun yung pinili nyo na doon i-deposit yung ika-cash installment ninyo sa BPI credit card. Key details and fees. So, ito yung further details, guys, about availing BPI credit card cash installment. As you can see, eligibility. Generally open to principal, active BPI credit card holders in good credit standing. So, as you can see dito, generally, so malamang sa malamang, ino-offer ito sa mga principal credit card holder ni BPI na may active BPI credit card and in good credit standing. So, meaning, walang lapses, walang late payment fees, alam mo yun, walang late payments, hindi siya delinquent account. Kasi of course, kapag pinabayaan nyo, hindi nyo binayaran yung due dates or yung bills ninyo sa BPI credit card, masususpend talaga yun. Then yeah, let's talk about service fees. So, magkano nga ba yung availment fee at saka yung other fees about BPI credit card cash installment. So, a fee of 300 pesos applies for amounts up to 50,000 pesos. So, ito yung sinasabi ko guys na nakadepende kung magkano yung i-avail ninyo. Yun din yung magiging availment fee or processing fee. And 500 pesos for amounts over 50,000 pesos as of April 16, 2024. So, binago kasi ni BPI yung magiging availment fee. Nakadepende na siya. As you can see naman, 300 pesos para sa ika-cash installment mong 50,000. So, mula 10,000 pesos up to 50,000, 300 pesos yung magiging processing fee or availment fee. Ngayon, 50,000 pataas, 500 pesos yung magiging processing fee. Processing time. So, gaano nga ba katagal bago ma-deposit ito sa account ninyo? Processing time is typically approved in 5 banking days. So, pagka-apply ninyo ng cash installment sa BPI credit card ninyo, antay kayo ng up to 5 banking days. Take note guys, 5 banking days. So, meaning, hindi kasama yung holidays and weekends. Bibilangin nyo lang is yung banking days which is may opisina or may trabaho yung mga taga BPI para i-process yung application ninyo ng cash installment sa BPI credit card ninyo. Interest rates. Existing loan rates at the time of application will apply. So as you can see dito, wala siyang binigay kasi nakadepende siya guys. Minsan nagbibigay ng promo si BPI credit cards which is aabot lang ng 0.45, 0.49. Nakadepende siya sa offer. Pero yung regular interest, guys, sa BPI credit card cash installment is 1%. How to avail BPI credit to cash? So, paano nga ba i-avail yung BPI credit to cash or BPI credit card cash installment? BPI app or online pre-selected customers. Para ito sa mga pre-approved customers no, or clients, which is good standing nga yung credit card, okay yung records, walang late fees, walang late payments, walang or hindi delinquent account. Log into the BPI app or BPI online. Check for a special offer notification. Go to your credit card account page and select credit to cash. So, pagka-open niyo ng BPI app or BPI online, makikita niyo doon kung may offer sa inyo kasi naka-notify yan doon sa account ninyo. Na itong credit card mo is qualified for this rate, which is 0.49, ganyan. Fill out the application form, review, and submit. So, pagka-click ninyo, if ever na pre-approve kayo, tulad ng sabi ko, para sa mga pre-selected customers, pagka-sign up ninyo, then you can submit, review mo yung details, about the bank details, kung saan ipapasok yung ilo-loan ninyong amount or ika-cash installment ninyo sa BPI credit card, then kung okay, then submit mo na kaagad. Then ipaprocess nila yan. Pangalawa is yung callback request. Log into BPI Help and Support. So, alam nyo naman yung BPI online, di ba? May option doon na BPI Help and Support. Then, select mo yung submit a request. Choose BPI credit card callback request and fill in the details. So meaning, kung ano yung mga kailangan, like contact number, most probably kailangan yun. Then yun, ilagay mo, din isubmit mo. After few days, pag na-receive na nila, na-process, kasi marami kayong nag-a-apply niyan ng callback request. So aantayin mo ngayon yung certain period of time para makita yung application ninyo. Ngayon, kung ayaw mo magantay ng ilang araw, minutes lang yung aantayin mo, phone application, which is tumawag na lang kayo diretso sa official hotline number nila, which is call the BPI Credit Card Sales Hub at 632-889-10055, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Take note lang dito guys na Monday to Friday lang siya available. Tapos, office hours ito ha, kasi kung holiday, so wala pong sasagot sa'yo. Make sure na tumawag kayo doon sa 632-889-10055, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. hanggang 5 p.m. lamang. Para kayo na mismo yung mag-request diretso na kung nagmamadali kayo, makakausap mo kaagad yung BPI Customer Service Representative na nagpa-process ng cash installment sa BPI credit card. So, ganun siya kabilis para at least hindi mo na kailangan mag-antay kasi kung mag-antay ka pa ng callback request, matagal pa yon. Ngayon, kung may landline ka naman, so diretsuhin mo na lang, tawagan mo lang sila sa hotline number nila which is yung binigay ko na 632-889-10055. Then ngayon, kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali, kung wala kayong pantawag sa landline, mag-request na lang kayo ng callback request which is yung sinabi ko pa lang kanina. Balikan nyo lang kasi hahaba yung video kung sasabihin ko pa ulit. So yun lamang guys. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Cake, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!